Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete your account on the Brawl Stars game. So let's get started right away. Now if you open up the Brawl Stars game, you will be taken into the main menu once the game is fully loaded up. Now from this page, in order to delete your account, tap on the menu icon at the top right corner and then tap on Settings. From the Settings page, tap on the Supercell ID option and you will see the option to log out from your account. Go ahead and tap on the logout button, but you will still have your game progress saved within your game data. So in order to remove this, exit the game and then long press on the Brawl Stars game. This will now show you the application info button. Go ahead and tap on it and you will end up within the app info page. First of all, tap on force stop at the bottom right corner and tap on OK to stop the app. You can then scroll down and tap on storage, and now from the storage page, tap on clear data at the bottom left corner and then tap on delete. This will now clear all of your user data for the Brawl Stars game, which means when you open up the game once again, you will be asked to log back into your account and the game will begin all the way from the start. And there you have it. That is how you can delete your account on the Brawl Stars game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.